Thank you very much for joining with me right now. My name is Mgayekwa. You can search me on YouTube as Mgayekwa Official. Today we will learn on how to form augmented chord, diminished chord, and minor chord. So this formula will be applicable in any key, okay? Take an example, you want to form a C augmented chord. In order to form C augmented chord, you have to use the 3-3 approach. 3-3 approach. In this approach, you have to leave 3 notes in between. Okay? Go to the root note of C root note, then count the 3 notes in between. That is, count the 3 notes away from this C. Starting from C sharp. Then it will be 1, 2, 3. Then hold this one. Then count again. Then count again 3 notes away from this E, that is 1, 2, 3. Then hold this one. So you get this one. So this is a C augmented chord. There is a 3 note in between, and if I count here, there is a 3 note in between, which are free. Okay? Well, so this is a C augmented chord. If I want to form maybe D augmented chord, so go to the D, root note of D, then count 3 away from D, that is starting from D sharp, that is 1, 2, 3, then hold this one. Then after holding this one, count the 3 note away from this F sharp. It will be 1, 2, 3. Then hold this one. So we get this one. So this is D augmented chord. So this formula will be applicable in any key. That is, okay. If we want to form minor chord, we have to use the 2-3 approach. In this 2-3 approach, you have to leave 2 keys in between, then you leave 3 keys in between. Okay? Well, so if you are in a C, a root note of C, you want to form a minor chord, C minor chord, count 2 notes, 1, 2, leave this 2 notes, then hold this one. Then leave 3 notes, count 3 notes away from D sharp, that is 1, 2, 3. Then hold this one. So this one will be C minor. So it will be C minor. 2 notes in between, 3 notes in between. C minor. Okay? If we will go to maybe to the D, the same. Go to the D, root note of D, then count 2, 1, 2, then you hold this one. Okay? Then count again 3 away from this F, starting from F sharp, that is 1, 2, 3. Then hold this one. So it will be D minor chord. That is, this is on the way on how you can form minor chord in any key. Okay? If you want to form diminished chord, you have to use 2-2 approach. If you want to form diminished chord, use the 2-2 approach. 2-2 approach, you have to leave 2 keys in between. 2 keys in between. Take an example, you are in a C. You want to form a C diminished chord. You have to leave 2 keys in between. So count 2 keys away from this C, starting from C sharp. That is 1, 2. Then hold this one. Then count again 2 keys away from this D sharp. That is 1, 2. So hold this one. You get this one. So this is C diminished chord. C diminished chord. Okay. The same if you go to the D. You want to form D diminished chord. So hold the D, root note of D, then count 2 keys away from D, start from D sharp, 1, 2, then you hold this one. Okay, then count again 2 notes away from F, start from F sharp, that is 1, 2, 1, 2, then you hold this one. So you get this one. So D diminished, D diminished chord, D diminished chord. So this is the easiest way on how to form a diminished chord, 2-2 approach, by leaving 2 keys in between. Okay, well, that is the first approach on how to form diminished chord. But another approach, the second approach on how to form diminished chord, you have to play. If you want to form maybe a diminished chord of C diminished chord, C diminished chord, first play C minor chord. For example, here, C minor. This is a C minor. Remember, I have to leave a key in between, and I have to leave 3 keys in between. Okay, this is a C minor. So if I wanted to play, a C diminished chord, first play C minor, then flatten the 5th key, this one, flatten this last key, I mean G, you flatten into F sharp, so it will be this one. So C diminished. So play C minor, then you flatten the 5th, you get this one. So this is the second approach on how to form diminished chord. For example, you want to form D diminished chord. First play D minor, this one. You have to play this D minor, then you have to flatten this 5th note, I mean this one, the last one, which is A, into G sharp. So it will be this one. So this is a second approach on how to form a diminished chord. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching. Please kindly subscribe, say anything to the comment, like it, share it. We'll learn more in this channel. Ciao.